Today we'll be talking about the item location delete and restore utility. In Macola, users often have a need to purge or remove old, inactive items or locations. There currently is no way to accomplish this in Macola. The Ativa group has created a utility for just this purpose. You can choose whether to delete items or locations. In this instance, we'll delete items. There's many ways to filter the grid with the information. By date, by the last number of months, by a single item, a description, whether the status is active or obsolete, or by product category. Once you select your information and click the refresh button, with that information. Notice the lines that are filled in with orange. These are items that cannot be deleted. For whatever reason, there either is a purchase order, a shop order, a sales order, a pop order, any of the listed columns could prevent this item from being deleted, including the quantity on hand. Notice that all of this information to the right of these top two items are all zeroed, but there is quantity on hand. This item, the third item down, highlighted in white, they're all zeros, including quantity on hand, and thus this item can be checked and marked for deletion. We highlight the rows that we want to delete, and we click delete. Click OK. Success. The grid is then automatically refreshed, removing that one particular item that you selected. We can do the same for locations. The same criteria exist. You have the date, the last number of months used, or choose a single particular location to filter the data on. I'm not going to go through this process, but the same criteria as items exist the same for locations. All the information to be deleted has to be all set to 0. There's also, after deletion, potentially you might have made a mistake. So we're going to go back into this and choose item restore. Now, immediately you see the date, which today is January 10th. This is the item we removed, mistake. I'm going to recheck that and click restore. And this will put this record back into the system. Success. It immediately gets refreshed, and now the grid is empty. If we go back into item deletion, we'll see that same item. Then there it is. There are many benefits to use of this utility. Easier lookup capability throughout the system, fewer items to maintain, significantly faster report and query generation, and MRP processing is substantially improved.